Thank you. Back to Central Florida. The stepmother of Anna Kepner, the Titusville teen killed on a cruise ship, was back in court today for a custody battle with her ex-husband.
Yeah, he is alleging that because of what happened to Anna, Chantel Hudson Kepner is not fit to take care of their other daughter. West Brevard County reporter Megan Moriarty joins us live right now in Viera, where that hearing just wrapped up moments ago. Megan?
The judge set a strict time limit of 1 hour for this hearing, but there's still a lot more testimony to be heard, so it's now continued and will happen at a later date. But what we did learn through this hearing is that Thomas Hudson, Chantel Hudson Kepner's ex-husband, he's alleging that she is not fit to take care of their child. We're also learning more about the complex relationship that she had with her children. Most of the hearing revolved around the parenting plan between Anna Kepner's stepmother, Chantel, and her ex-husband, Thomas Hudson. Following Anna's death, he's been arguing that he hasn't seen his younger children, one being the 16-year-old suspect in Anna's death, according to court documents. Chantel and Thomas Hudson share 3 children, and their eldest son, who is 18, has lived with his father, while the 2 younger children, including the 16-year-old, lived with the Kepners. The oldest son alleges that in 2024, Chantel Hudson Kepner and Chris Kepner, Anna's father, put their hands on him, which is why he doesn't want to visit with his mother.
They had held me against the seat, and he put his arm around the back of my neck, holding me up against the front seat. She held me there as well.
And the family dynamic is a little complicated here, so we want to show you this family tree to get a better idea of everyone's relationship with one another. We learned during this hearing that the 2 younger siblings, the 16-year-old and 18-year-old child, were in counseling once they stopped visiting with their father, so that's been for about a year now. Now, Thomas Hudson's attorney is trying to argue that because of the past issue with the oldest son and then the incident that happened on the cruise ship, that Chantel Hudson Kepner should not have custody of their younger daughter, who is 8 years old. Again, that hearing is now continued. We'll update you once we learn that later date. Covering Brevard County live in Viera, Megan Moriarty, West 2 News.